Peter Nygard appeared via video in a Winnipeg courtroom from a prison in Ontario. He's serving an 11-year sentence after being found guilty of sexually assaulting 4 women in Toronto. Here in Winnipeg, how he ended up being charged has come under scrutiny. Provincial Court Judge Mary Kate Harvie ruled there was political interference. She told court Tuesday it's because the province's former Attorney General, Kelvin Gertsen, asked for a second opinion on an initial decision not to charge Nygard. The judge told court Gertsen's actions amounted to a serious abuse of process, but Harvie stopped short of ordering a stay of proceedings in Nygard's case in Manitoba because of the seriousness of the charges and public interest in the case. At the end of the day, every person, no matter how reviled, how notorious, how popular or unpopular, must receive equal treatment by the Attorney General and by the justice system, Harvie said in a written decision. As demonstrated by the evidence in this case, such respect for the rule of law was not extended to Nygard. He was charged in Manitoba in 2023 with sexual assault and forcible confinement involving 1 complainant, but only after Gertsen asked Saskatchewan prosecutors to review the complaints of 8 women. The Crown in Manitoba had already said there was no reasonable likelihood of conviction. Harvie ruled Gertsen was responding to mounting public and political pressure, and she said there is no policy in the province on when it's appropriate to get a second opinion on a decision not to charge. He appears to have been singled out because of the notoriety of his case, not because of any articulated or principled reasons.
This is essentially an unprecedented situation.
University of Manitoba Associate Professor of Law and former prosecutor Brandon Trask says the judge's decision sends a strong message.
Crown prosecutors have such an important role to play, and they cannot be interfered with by politicians.
Gertsen has previously said he stands by his decision to ask for a second opinion. He wouldn't do an interview Tuesday because the matter remains before the courts. Meanwhile, Manitoba won't say what, if any, changes will be made in light of this ruling. Josh Crabb, CBC News, Winnipeg.